Global manufacturers are fiercely competing to gain manufacturing intelligence, which analyzes manufacturing-related data and predicts future outcomes. SAMSUNG Nexplant, an AI-based intelligent factory platform, is spearheading this innovation. Let's see how your factory will look like with Nexplant. The real-time data collected from your facility is analyzed to detect and prevent failures in advance and predict when maintenance should be performed, thereby improving facility utilization and reducing operating costs. Nexplant automatically optimizes the entire manufacturing process, detecting and improving problems between processes by connecting and analyzing all the data from your facility to improve process quality and reduce reworking rates. Deep learning-based machine vision that automatically learns image features automates defect classification and increased inspection accuracy by over 30%. Nexplant selects the required quantity and optimal location of the material transport facility and sets the optimal route for material transport to best reflect the real-time manufacturing status, improving the material transport efficiency. Samsung SDS further expands its business field from factories to plants through Nexplant platform, from design and construction of plants to operational and maintenance areas. All of the data generated throughout the manufacturing process is integrated, managed, and circulated to gain the intelligence across the entire manufacturing process. Build an intelligent factory with Samsung SDS Nexplant.